Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. CH3CH2CCH is treated with 9H2 in liquid NH3. 9H2 is a strong base that deprotonates the terminal alkyne. However, CH3CH2CCH is an internal-looking alkyne but actually has the triple bond at C1 terminal. Weight CH3CH2CCH is 1 butene, but 1 Na, which has a terminal alkyne proton. 9H2 deprotonates it to give the acetylide anion CH3CH2CC. This is intermediate I. Moving on to the next step. Intermediate I, CH3CH2CC, reacts with cyclobutene, the 4-membered ring ketone shown in Net2O. The acetylide anion acts as a nucleophile and attacks the carbonyl carbon of cyclobutene in a nucleophilic addition reaction. This opens the carbonyl to give an alkoxide, cyclobutane ring with the carbonyl carbon now bearing an O after workup, and the CCCH2CH3, but 1YN1YL group attached. The product J is the alkoxide, before protonation 1 but 1YN1YL cyclobutene 1-olate. And for the final step, treatment with H protonates the alkoxide to give the alcohol. Product K is 1 but 1YN1YL cyclobutene 1-ol, i.e. cyclobutanol with a quaternary carbon at C1 bearing O and the CC8 group. Weight the cyclic ketone shown is cyclobutane, 4-membered ring with is equal to O. The acetylide adds to give 1,1-butanil, cyclobutane 1-ol. But option B shows a 5-membered ring, cyclopentane. Let me re-examine the structure. The image shows a square with is equal to O, which is cyclobutane, 4-membered. But option B shows a cyclopentane ring. Actually, looking more carefully at the image description, the ring drawn could be cyclopentanone, 5-membered. A pentagon-shaped ring with is equal to O is cyclopentanone. The nucleophilic addition of CH3CH2CC to cyclopentanone gives 1 but 1YN1YL cyclopentane 1-ol after protonation. So K is equal to 1 but 1YN1YL cyclopentane 1-ol, a cyclopentane ring with a quaternary C1 bearing O and CCCH2CH3, i.e. CC8. This matches option B, cyclopentane ring with O and CC8 on the same quaternary carbon. Why other options fail? Option A shows a cyclopentane 1-1 ketone retained, meaning no nucleophilic addition occurred. Incorrect. H workup does not regenerate the ketone from an alkoxide. Option C, open chain structure, no ring does not account for the cyclopentanone ring. Option D shows CCCH3 instead of CC8, propyne unit instead of butane unit, wrong acetylide. Therefore, the correct answer is B. Therefore, the correct answer is option B.